I think this thing is working. I'm not sure. Maybe I can give you the factory contact. You contact the factory, buy it yourself, and do the mounting by yourself. I went to a factory and I bought this circuit board for 7 yuan. And the case, this is the front part, the back part, and this one also, that's the protective case. It comes together. I bought this case for, this one is for 2 yuan, sorry, this is 2 yuan, and this is 1 yuan. So these two give me 3 yuan. This board came together with this resistance, the transistors, and these chips, the speakers, and these screws, all together for just 7 yuan. Sorry, I forgot about this one. And the cables, you know these cables, I think. Usually we have 2 cables. That's the red and the black cable all together. Like that is a set for 7 yuan. I want to make this come to life with the lowest possible budget, which is just 11 yuan. In dollars, I'm not sure, you can check that by yourself. Oh, sorry, I forgot. And the screen comes like that. See, with this screen all together. And where I got this case, remember I said this case is 2 yuan, okay? And the boss say he can sell the mold for me, so I don't need to buy the case, just buy the mold and make the case by myself. But no, I said no, thanks for the mold, because I want to do my project by myself. So I just bought the case for 2 yuan. So what I'm going to do is that I want to see if I can build this thing by myself, all complete. So please help me to watch the video till the end and give me some suggestion. What do you think about the build up? Is it good? Is it bad? Say anything, please, because that's my greatest motivation. So now let's get started. And also one more thing, very important. Look, this is the case. Just 0.7 yuan, 0.7 yuan. And he wanted to give me the soft copy that I should print it by myself, make the case by myself. But I think that's going to be very, like, too much job. No, I just bought one. I don't need a soft copy. So I will just have to fold the thing like that. And that's it. See, that's it. So I have to build this by myself. The case is 22 centimeters by 13 centimeters. I mean this box. And the multimeter itself is 19 by 9 or 8.5, something like that. This is the circuit board. We start with the simplest, which are like the capacitors and the resistors. This is R44. This is it here, not here. It should be this way. R44, and this is it, R44. Actually, you can see this is the end of the resistor thing. So this is the first part of the job. Now that I have soldered all these resistors, the next step I have to do is to start with the semiconductors. I think you know the semiconductors. After the semiconductors, probably that will be the end of the building. So I will just start with the semiconductors right away. Please remember to give me a like at the end of the video, because that's my greatest motivation. And remember, I said it before, right? When I will be monetized, I'll give you guys all the secrets. Actually, you can make big money with this thing. If I can buy these components, just this simple component like this for 11 yuan, all complete together with the case, everything for 11 yuan, which means that you can actually, open a factory in your home. Maybe you start with 10 of these or 100 of these if you like, and as time goes on, you're going to make a lot of money with these things. So get a small room, mount the stuffs, but before that you have to check with your country how much does one cost. Probably, I don't know the price in your country, just check how much does it cost. Is it profitable? If it's profitable, then fine, you can give it a try. Maybe 10, 20, start your own business. And you see, when I bought this case, right, they didn't put anything behind. I told him not to write anything behind here, because actually it was made in China, but I told him that I want something all clean, so he didn't put anything here. So if you get it in the future, you can maybe write here, made in Penguin Island or made in Desert World, whatever you want. So that's it. I will advise you, if you can, just go in for business, because this is real good stuff. Well, let me do it first. When I'm done with it and everything goes on well, I'll tell you guys the next step, what to do next. But if not, remember to subscribe to the channel. If not, you won't see my channel, you won't see me anymore. Thanks, and keep on watching the video. And I'm not selling these things, okay? I will only help you guys to contact the factory, deal with the factory directly. Don't ask me where to buy, because I'm not doing business selling, or I can only give you the contact. That's it. Okay, now let's go to the next step. As I said before, the next step is going to be these chips, and is it the diodes or whatsoever? I'm sorry, I'm not so used to about this. It's unfortunate that I don't know how to call this. Please, you guys can help me with the name. I'm not sure. I'll just put it according to the diagram. And that's the final thing I have done about soldering. I'm not an expert, I've never learned this anywhere. It's just like by kind of imagination. So it's just about, I just have about 80% probability that it's going to work. Just 80%. I'm not 100% sure it's going to work, but so I think with my knowledge it's going to work, because I've already made drones, I've made these Bluetooth speakers, so many. I've made about 3 or 4 things concerning this electronics. So if you haven't watched the videos, please just go and watch the videos and see how I'm trying to make things work. Okay, keep on watching that video, and remember please to give me a like at the end of the video. Now that I have finished with the electric board, this is the final result of the electric board, complete electric board, please. And now the most important part is the interface, where I have to feed the screen, this rotary switch, and and this battery socket and the buttons here. Wow, it's almost getting done. Please just help me subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next video. Okay, see, this is almost done. If I have to try this with that sound, yeah, this is the most famous sound of this multimeter. Now that this switch is done, the next step is that I will solder this battery socket here. Red is usually positive, so the red side goes here and the black one is negative. That's it. So I'll keep this one aside. We'll just keep it right here. So I have the screen here and my board comes back here. Now with all the electronic components in place, let's do the smoke test. The smoke test means after putting the battery, if there's no kind of like some magic smoke, then everything is well done. But if there's magic smoke, means I messed up somewhere. Okay. Let's try and see the smoke test together. What I will do is that I will stand far away. Oh, sorry about that. This has scared me. Yeah. the battery spin. And this is the end of the video. I hope this thing is working, because I'm not an expert in using this instrument, so I don't know how it works. I have no idea how it works, how to use it. If you're interested in such build-ups, fine, no problem. Just subscribe to the channel. I can maybe give you the contact of the factory. You contact the factory and you can buy yourself and do the build-up by yourself. If not, remember to subscribe to the channel, because this is going to help you a lot. Goodbye and see you on the next video. Bye.